So we're in my grandma's garage, and she has a Chamberlain garage door opener. I don't know if you can see it well. And you might have actually seen the video before and after it was lubricated. So, yeah, if it looks familiar to you. And I'm going to do a safety test and balance test. I'm going to test stuff. And so here's the wall control. There. The light button. Oh, that's the motion sensor. Push it. And push the button here. It opens. It's very quiet. Belt drive, garage door opener, and I'll show you the brand. There. Chamberlain. And there it is. Here's the remote. It has 3 buttons. And I'll close the door for you. And then we have keypad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dial code here. Hit enter. And the door opens. Just a quiet operation. And now for the real thing, I'm going to do some safety tests, the balance tests. So what this is about is to make sure the door is operating fine. So we have, sorry about the light, we have a sensor here, and one over here, and this one, if you put something in front of it, the green light turns off. So I'm going to put my foot in front of the sensor, push the button, and the light blinks, and yeah. So now we are going to do another test to make sure that the garage door reverses. So the door is moving, and then put your foot in front, and then it'll go back up. So I'm going to let it go halfway down, and then now. Okay, that works. So that's pretty good. And there, the light blinks again 10 times. And use this. So there are 3 buttons on this remote. Only one works. And I'm going to close it for you. And then I'm going to do the balance test. So, push the button. And it goes a bit too far down, that grinding noise. And actually, when you look at it, from here, it looks like it's a standard insulation, but when you get closer, you'll see that little groove here. It's not insulated, it just has this, the back. And these are actually a safer kind of hinge. You can't stick your fingers through. And it actually has only one spring. One spring on the whole torsion tube. It's not damaged. So my dad's going to pull the emergency release cord on the door. We're going to do the balance test. So I'm going to grab this and pretty balanced. To reconnect the garage door opener. So by doing that, we need to push. There's an easier way we can do it. Okay. So we can push the button here, and it should. And the opener is reconnected. So that's the balance test. And I'm going to close it for you. And the quick thing you can do is in the keypad, you can just push the enter key and the door moves. Closes. Alright, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope I see you in the next one. See you.